Today we're going to be putting the Noctua Chromax NH-U12A. We're going to be putting it into this build that has an RTX 3080 Asus Edition Tough Gaming.
The issue we're having is that the water temperature, known as the coolant, is getting too warm. It's hitting 40 Celsius. And then what happens next is these fans won't stop spinning. So we're going to try an air cooler and see what it does.
Time to unbox it. Let's see what we got here. Some mounting systems, and we have the fan.
For the i9 9900K, we're going to be using the LGA 1151 mounting bracket.
Look at these.
Yeah.
These are very heavy fans, which in that case makes it quieter when it spins faster. Alright, let's open her up. Alrighty. This is how it looks like. It's a pretty innovative design. Feels very high quality. This is where the CPU connects.
First thing we need to do is take out the video card. Alright, now with both hands, once you pop the bracket, lift up the card.
It's a hefty one.
Alright, we're gonna put the back plate on now. Should go in smoothly. There we go. Going right in, no issues. Now you gotta put the spacers on. You can count your spins, you can do 5 on each side.
Solid.